From the humble apple to the exotic durian, the world of fruit offers a stunning array of flavors, textures, and nutritional profiles. These vibrant gifts of nature not only tantalize our taste buds, but also provide a wealth of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are crucial for our health and well-being. In this video, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore 54 different types of fruit. Delving into their unique characteristics and nutritional compositions, we'll uncover the hidden treasures within each fruit, empowering you to make informed choices for a healthier and more vibrant life. Get ready to be amazed by the diversity and nutritional power of fruits, all based on comprehensive data from the USDA's FoodData Central Database. Apples are a sweet and fleshy fruit that grow around the world. Nutritionally, apples are moderately high in carbohydrates, and their most significant nutrient is vitamin C. Apricots are a small, fleshy fruit that contain a hard stone in the middle. They are best known for their vitamin A and C content. Avocados are low in carbohydrates, yet high in fiber and healthy monounsaturated fats. They are particularly high in potassium. Chapter 4. Bananas, a global favorite. Bananas are a tropical fruit with a long body covered in a yellow skin. They are one of the most popular types of fruit in the world. Chapter 5. Blackberries, tiny jewels of flavor. Blackberries are a small and flavorful fruit that are botanically a kind of berry that grows on brambles. They are a good source of vitamin C. Chapter 6. Blackcurrants, tart and tangy treats. Blackcurrants are a common fruit in Europe with a sour and tart flavor. They are used in various commercial foods and drinks. Chapter 7. Blueberries, antioxidant superstars. Blueberries are rich in potentially health-protective polyphenols and offer a decent selection of vitamins and minerals. Boysenberries, a berry medley. Boysenberries are a cross between blackberries, loganberries, and raspberries. They are large, juicy, and refreshing. Capers bursting with flavor. Capers are a pea-sized green fruit native to parts of the Mediterranean and Asia. They have a sharp and salty taste due to being pickled. Cherimoya, the custard apple. Cherimoya is an exotic fruit with a sweet and creamy flavor. It has a decent nutritional profile. Cherries, sweet and sour delights. Cherries are one of the most popular fruit varieties, with two main types, sour and sweet cherries. Black chokeberries, or aronia berries, are known for their tartness and high polyphenol content. Cranberries, festive and flavorful. Cranberries are small, edible berries with a bright red color. They are popular in processed food products. Date palm, nature's candy. Date palm, often called date, is a sweet edible fruit commonly eaten in dried form. Chapter 15. Dried fruit, concentrated goodness. There are numerous varieties of dried fruit, each with slightly different characteristics from fresh fruit. Durian, the king of fruits. Durian is a giant-sized tropical fruit known for its acquired scent and sweet, creamy, and nutty taste. Elderberries are small, blue to black berries that are very bitter and often consumed as elderberry products. Goji berries, ancient superfruit. Goji berries are a small red fruit traditionally used as a medicinal fruit in China. Golden berries, or Peruvian ground cherry, are native to Peru and have an incredibly sour taste. Gooseberries, tart and tangy treats. Gooseberries are delicious but rather sour berries that grow around the world. Chapter 21. Grapes, from vine to wine. Grapes are one of the most prevalent types of fruit and are used in many wines, juices, jams, and dessert products. Grapefruit, the tangy citrus. Grapefruit is a large hybrid fruit with a slightly bitter, sour but slightly sweet taste. Guava Tropical Delight. Guava is a tropical fruit with a lime green skin and a pink fleshy center. Jackfruit, the versatile giant. Jackfruit is a large tropical fruit with a unique, slightly sweet and tropical taste. Jujube, or Chinese date, has been cultivated in China for centuries and is used in traditional Chinese medicine. Kiwi fruit is a soft, green and juicy edible fruit known for its high vitamin C content. Kumquats are a type of citrus fruit that are small and can be eaten whole. The lemon, zesty and refreshing. Lemons are a yellow citrus fruit with a tart and juicy flesh, used in many culinary applications. Think lemonade, lemon meringue pie, or even a lemon tree in your backyard. Lime, the green machine. Limes are similar to lemons but have a slightly different flavor, being more bitter. You might enjoy a refreshing limeade, a slice of key lime pie, or a simple lime wedge in your drink. Longan fruit, sweet and translucent. Longan is a small tropical fruit with brilliant white flesh and a sweet taste. Picture a longan fruit salad, a soothing longan fruit tea, or even a longan fruit tree in your garden. Lychee. Delicate and aromatic. Lychee is a small tropical fruit with a sweet and juicy flesh, similar to rambutan and longan. You might find it in a refreshing lychee martini, a creamy lychee ice cream, or even growing on a lush lychee tree. Mango, the king of fruits. Mangoes are a tropical fruit with extremely sweet and juicy flesh, often referred to as the king of fruits. Their rich, vibrant flavor is truly unmatched. Melon, sweet and juicy hydration. Melons are sweet-tasting, fleshy fruits that are botanically a berry. Think of the refreshing crunch of watermelon slices, the tender sweetness of cantaloupe halves, or the smooth texture of honeydew melon chunks. Mulberries come in various shapes and sizes and are popular in both fresh and dried forms. Nectarines are closely related to peaches and have a sweet and juicy taste. Olives are a type of fruit known for their healthy fats and various culinary uses. Oranges are among the most common fruits in the world and are a hybrid cross of the pomelo and mandarin. Papayas are tropical fruits with a smooth outer skin and a soft reddish-orange flesh. Passion fruit is a tropical fruit with a hard outer shell and a yellow, gelatinous, sweet flesh. Pear juicy and refreshing. Pears are sweet and juicy fruits with a high water content and a crisp skin. Persimmon, sweet and unique. Persimmons come in two varieties, fuyu and hachiya, each with distinct characteristics. Pineapple, tropical, sweet and tangy. Pineapples are tropical fruits with a sweet and tangy taste, known for their high vitamin C content. Plums are sweet and juicy fruits with a smooth skin and a single pit inside. Pomegranates are known for their juicy seeds and high antioxidant content. Pomelos are large citrus fruits with a sweet and slightly tangy taste. Rambutan, the hairy fruit. Rambutans are tropical fruits with a hairy outer skin and a sweet, juicy flesh. Raspberry, small but mighty. Raspberries are small, red and juicy fruits known for their high fiber content. Red berries, a rainbow of flavor. Red berries are a general term for various red-colored berries, each with unique nutritional profiles. Rhubarb, tart and tangy treat. Rhubarb is a vegetable often used in desserts, known for its tart taste. Starfruit, the star of the show. Starfruit or carambola is a tropical fruit with a star-shaped cross-section and a sweet tart flavor. Strawberry, sweet and juicy delight. Strawberries are popular fruits, known for their sweet taste and high vitamin C content. Tangerines are small citrus fruits with a sweet and tangy taste similar to oranges. Ugly fruit is a hybrid citrus fruit with a rough, wrinkled skin and a sweet tart flavor. Watermelons are large fruits with a high water content and a sweet, refreshing taste. As we've journeyed through the vibrant world of fruit, we've uncovered a diverse range of flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits, from vitamin C powerhouses like oranges and strawberries to antioxidant-rich choices like blueberries and pomegranates. There's a fruit out there for every palate and health goal. Remember that incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet is key. Each fruit offers a unique combination of nutrients, so aim for a colorful and diverse plate to maximize your intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By embracing the goodness of fruit, you're not only nourishing your body, but also adding a touch of natural sweetness and vibrancy to your life. So go ahead, explore the world of fruit and discover the delicious and healthy possibilities that await.